This is an F14 MPU sent to me. It had a the user reported it had a sound issue. So let's get it on the bench here. I did put an NVRAM on it for the user and replaced C30, which is sometimes a problem with the reset signal. So you can see it boots right up. LEDs are doing what they're supposed to. Let's put it into test. And you can see that display test is operating just fine. Next test is sound test. So this is where we want to listen to all of the sounds that the test software produces. So you can see that it did make all the sounds that it was supposed to. So lamp test is next. You can see all the lamps are flashing. Single lamp test. You can walk through each of those. And that works just fine. Next test is solenoid test, I believe. Four, 4A, 5, 5A, 6, 6A. Now the special solenoids. And you can see all those are working just fine. And then the test goes back and repeats itself. So all of those are working fine. Let me see if I can't rake the special solenoid switches up here. Sorry about that. And let's make sure that all the special solenoid inputs are working. Let me let this test pass. Okay. One. Sorry, my clip had fallen off. Let it pass again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all your special solenoid switches all working correctly. Next test is switch levels. None are on. Switch edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'll do all of the first row, and that proves everything in every row and every column is working correctly. So all working properly. And the next test, no more tests. Go through audits and adjustments, and the board reboots. And you can see track mode is operational. This board is working just fine.